Hey everyone, Sylvester here. Today, let's dive into dropshipping, a game-changing business model that's been making waves in the e-commerce world. It's a business model that's especially perfect for beginners, offering a fantastic entry point into the world of online retail. With dropshipping, you sell products online through your own virtual storefront. The beauty of it is that you do this without ever having to buy or hold any inventory upfront. There's absolutely no need for a physical warehouse to store products, or the usual shipping hassles that come with traditional retail. Instead, you get to focus on what truly matters: marketing and making sales. The best part about dropshipping, you only pay for the products after your customers have already placed their orders, ensuring you're never stuck with unsold stock. This significantly lowers the financial risk, making it an incredibly appealing option for new entrepreneurs. Traditional brick and mortar stores often have to invest thousands, if not tens of thousands, in initial stock, but with dropshipping, you can test different products and niches with very little money down, allowing you to refine your offerings based on real-time market demand. Platforms like Shopify make building your online store incredibly easy and accessible. Even if you consider yourself not particularly tech savvy, simply choose a visually appealing theme, easily add products with descriptions and images, and quickly set up secure payment gateways, all within one user-friendly platform. The powerful combination of Shopify and dropshipping gives you the freedom to run your business from just about anywhere in the world. You get to be your own boss, calling all the shots, set your own working hours to fit your lifestyle, and work from any location that has a reliable Wi-Fi connection. Now, it's important to remember that dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with consistent effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn, you absolutely can build a business that provides you with real financial freedom and independence. This comprehensive guide is designed to show you every single step of the process, from initial setup to successfully launching your very own dropshipping store. So, are you ready to embark on your exciting e-commerce journey? Let's go. Dropshipping is your ticket to the exciting world of online business, offering a low-risk and highly flexible business model that's perfect for today's aspiring entrepreneur. Let's dive in and see exactly how it all works, step by step. Let's break down exactly how dropshipping works step by step. It's a business model that allows you to sell products without ever handling the inventory yourself. The entire process can be distilled into three simple steps. These steps are the foundation of a successful dropshipping business. First, a customer browses and visits your Shopify store, which is your online storefront. They see something they like. They find a product they want to purchase, like a stylish dog collar, and they proceed to pay you, let's say, $30 for that particular dog collar. You receive the $30 instantly through your payment gateway. This is your initial revenue from the sale. Next, you take a portion of that payment and order the same collar from your trusted supplier for a lower price, perhaps $10. Crucially, when placing the order with your supplier, you enter your customer's specific shipping address. This ensures the product goes directly to them. The supplier then takes care of the logistics, packaging, and shipping the product directly to your customer's doorstep. You never have to physically handle the product at any point in this process. It goes straight from the supplier to the buyer. Your profit is simply the difference between what the customer paid you and what you paid the supplier. In this example, that's a clean $20 profit. Therefore, your main job is to focus on creating a visually appealing and user-friendly store, effectively market your products to the right audience, and provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. The supplier handles all the heavy lifting related to product storage, inventory management, and the actual shipping process. In essence, you act as the crucial middle person, efficiently connecting customers with the products they are actively searching for online. Your primary focus should be on building a strong brand identity and implementing effective online marketing campaigns to attract potential buyers to your store. Dropshipping offers an efficient and highly scalable business model, allowing you to grow your operations without the constraints of physical inventory. You can easily test new product ideas and explore different niches without the need for significant upfront investments in inventory. The core process is remarkably simple. The customer pays you for the product, then you, in turn, pay the supplier to fulfill the order, and the supplier directly ships the product to your customer, completing the transaction. And most importantly, you get to keep the profit margin. That's the fundamental beauty and appeal of the dropshipping business model. Now that you understand the process, let's move on to the exciting part, setting up your own Shopify store. Alright, it's time to build your store and bring your vision to life. This is where the magic happens, where you transform your ideas into a tangible online presence. Head over to shopify.com and start your free trial. This trial period gives you the perfect opportunity to explore all the features and functionalities that Shopify has to offer without any initial commitment. Enter your email address and pick a store name that reflects your brand and resonates with your target audience. Don't stress too much about the name initially. You can always change it later as your brand evolves and you gain more clarity. Once you've completed the sign up process, jump right into the dashboard. This is your central hub for managing every aspect of your online store. Choose a free theme to get started, something like Dawn, known for its simplicity and versatility, or perhaps Sense, which offers a minimalist aesthetic that can really make your products stand out. Both are excellent choices for a clean, mobile-friendly look, ensuring a seamless shopping experience for your customers on any device. Customize your theme to reflect your brand identity. Change colors to match your logo and overall aesthetic. Upload a logo to establish your brand presence. Canva is a great tool for creating one. And add a high-quality banner image to capture your visitors' attention and showcase your products or brand message. Write a welcoming headline that clearly communicates your value proposition and keep your homepage simple and clear to guide visitors effectively. Set up essential pages that provide crucial information to your customers. Start with an informative About Us page. Next, create a Contact Us page, making it easy for customers to reach out with questions or concerns. Don't forget a clear and concise shipping policy page outlining your shipping rates, delivery times, and any other relevant information. And finally, a refund policy page detailing your return and refund procedures to build trust and transparency. Take advantage of Shopify's pre-made templates for these policy pages, then carefully adjust them to accurately reflect your specific store policies and practices. It's crucial to make sure your store looks professional and trustworthy to instill confidence in your potential customers. Add your contact information prominently so customers can easily reach you with any questions or concerns they may have. A clean and intuitive design, coupled with clear and accessible information, is key to building trust and credibility with your audience. Don't overthink every detail. Get your store live as soon as possible and then tweak and refine it as you gather feedback and learn what works best. Remember, your store is your brand's online home. Make it inviting, engaging, and reflective of your unique personality. Now that your store is taking shape, let's dive into the exciting part, finding the perfect products to sell and delight your customers. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let's go and build something amazing. Finding the right product is key to dropshipping success. Look for products that solve problems or tap into people's passions. Think pet gadgets, fitness gear, or hobby items. Browse Amazon, AliExpress, and social media for trending products. Check hashtags like Yo TikTok made me buy it for real-time ideas. Use Google Trends to see if interest is rising or falling. Avoid products with too much competition or low demand. Validate your ideas before committing. Focus on products with clear benefits and passionate audiences. Don't just guess, let data guide you. The right product makes marketing easier and sales more likely. Research, validate, and choose wisely. Next, let's find reliable suppliers. Your product choice can make or break your store. A great supplier is crucial for your dropshipping business. AliExpress is a popular choice, millions of products, low prices, and most suppliers support dropshipping. Don't pick the cheapest supplier, check ratings, 4.7 plus stars, and how long they've been in business. Read product reviews for quality and shipping feedback. Message suppliers to ask about shipping times and drop shipping support. Fast, professional replies are a good sign. Order a sample to check quality and shipping speed yourself. Never sell a product you haven't tested. Good suppliers mean happy customers and fewer headaches. Your reputation depends on product quality and delivery. Take time to choose the right partner. Reliable suppliers are the backbone of your business. Now, let's set up payments and shipping. Let's get you paid and your products delivered. Set up Shopify payments for easy credit card processing. Add PayPal for extra trust and convenience. Many customers prefer it. Multiple payment options boost your conversion rate. For shipping, match your Shopify rates to your supplier's costs. Offer free shipping by including shipping costs in your product price. It's a powerful marketing tool. Set up shipping zones for different countries in Shopify. Be upfront about shipping times, especially if products take weeks to arrive. Clear shipping info manages customer expectations. Honesty builds trust and reduces complaints. Payments and shipping are the backbone of your store's operations. Set them up right from the start. Next, let's make your store look legit. Trust is everything. Your store must look professional. Use a clean design, consistent colors, and high quality product photos. Import product reviews with photos using apps like Looks or Ali Reviews. Social proof makes your products more appealing. Write unique, benefit focused product descriptions. Don't copy from suppliers. Tell a story and explain how your product improves customers' lives. Check for spelling and grammar mistakes. Make your contact info easy to find. Add it to your footer. Add a FAQ page to answer common questions. The more transparent you are, the more customers will trust you. Building trust leads to more sales. Keep improving your store's credibility. Now, let's see a real dropshipping success story. Here's a real example how we made $2,600 in 1 month with a single product. We found a men health related product on AliExpress for $17 including shipping. We built a one product Shopify store and priced it at $75.09 with free shipping. Simple video ads on Facebook and Instagram targeted people interested in men health products. The product benefits' visuals grabbed attention and drove impulse buys. We sold about 30 men health product, generating $2,800 in revenue. Product cost was $747. Ad spend was $0. Only free traffic with TikTok and Facebook net profit, $1,921 in 1 month. The key, a unique product, focused marketing, and clear branding. This shows what's possible with the right approach. It takes work, but the results are real. Find your winning product and go for it. Now let's wrap up with some final advice. You've learned the dropshipping basics. Now it's time to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start your Shopify free trial today. Your first store or product might not be perfect, and that's okay. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. Set small goals, get your store live, find a couple of product ideas, and keep improving. Consistency is key. Work on your store regularly, even if it's just 30 minutes a day. Use free resources to learn marketing and product research. Treat this as a real business, not a hobby. The only thing stopping you is taking that first step. Believe in yourself and keep moving forward. The journey has ups and downs, but the rewards are worth it. You have the blueprint. Now build your store and chase your e-commerce dreams. I'm excited for you. Go make it happen. You can do this.